Hello and Global Sausage Show in Hong Kong, and now we're in Zeblaze booth, and Zeblaze is very experienced in making their smartwatch, and they have a very popular series called Thor. We have made a lot of videos about Thor 4, Thor 4 Pro, and now we are happy to know that this company is making the new smartwatch Thor 5. So have a look on the Thor 5. You can see from here the display is round. It comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED screen. The resolution is 454 by 454 pixels. They're using the Corning Gorilla Glass 4 for this smartwatch. We are happy to note from this company that they added a few of new features on this Thor 5, such as they are adding a front-facing camera with 8 megapixels in this smartwatch, and also this watch has dual system, which we'll tell you later more. Let's have a look on the watch itself. It comes with a silicone band. It's not removable because they have antennas inside. As usual, at the back we have a pogo pin for data and charging, and one slot for a SIM card, and also the heart rate sensor at the back. On this side, we have a power button and a switch button, which I'm going to explain more to you later. And here we have a speaker. On this side, this small hole is for mic. This is a standalone smartwatch, so you don't need a phone to make phone calls. This smartwatch comes with a MT6739. And what is special is that it includes another chipset called Nordic 52840. The reason they're doing with two chipsets is that it supports two systems for this smartwatch. One is the standard smartwatch mode, and the other one is the smart wristband mode, which will be powered by just Nordic chipset. Let's take a look on this standard smartwatch mode. In this mode, we have all the touch function, so we can swipe to see everything is inside this watch. Here's a list of all the apps we have on this, and we can also use Google Play. The important is that we are going to introduce a long standby mode. This mode is powered by the Nordic chipset, as I mentioned earlier. In the future, they're going to improve the design so that you can switch to this standby mode by pressing this button. Let's have a look on the long standby mode. So in this standby mode, it's just it supports all the function of the smart wristband. So you can see the light, the brightness is lower, so that it will save a lot of power for this in this band mode. And the battery in this smartwatch is 560 milliampere, but in this mode it can last for 5 to 7 days. So there's no touch function in this mode, which helps to save a lot of power too. But we can function this mode by pressing the switch mode, switch button on this side. We can change what we need for this by pressing this button. Let's go back to the smartwatch mode. We just need to long press the power button on this side. Okay, now we are back to the smartwatch mode. In this mode, this smartwatch can last for around 48 hours. Have a look on the specs on the brochure. As I mentioned earlier, this smartwatch comes with two chipsets. One is MT6739 and the other one is Nordic 52840. And the screen size is 1.3 inch with 454 by 454 pixels. The RAM and ROM is 2 GB plus 2 plus 16 gigabytes. And the front camera I just mentioned is 8 megapixel. We got a news from the company that they are going to launch this watch at the beginning of May, and the price is around $140 US. Thank you.